Hello lovelies. Let's make this sweet yummy vanilla cake with these simple ingredients. So you're going to need 3 large bananas, ripe ones, very ripe, but not spoiled ones. We are not going to leave them like this. We are going to mash them. You can use a fork to mash or anything like this one I'm using here. Make sure they are well mashed, and after that you'll add in your 2 eggs at room temperature, not from the fridge, and also a pinch of salt there. Now you're going to go in with your hand mixer, the electric hand mixer, if you have it, or if you don't have, you can use the other mixer that you always use, the non-electric one. Now you just go in with your half a cup of sugar. You can either use brown or white sugar. I had a brown sugar, that's why I used brown sugar. So any sugar can do. The next thing we are going to add in here is milk. Measure this using the same cup, a half cup of milk, then add bit by bit, not at once. You'll add it while mixing slowly, maybe in 3 or 2 bits, using your hand mixer or the mixer you're using. Go in and add your cooking oil. I didn't measure that. You can just put enough, not too much. Also, the next part, you're now going to measure. You're going to measure and sieve 3 cups of multi-purpose or baking flour. And as you sieve it, you also mix like I'm showing you here, bit by bit. Here now I'm adding my bicarbonate soda, 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate soda. You mix well. I've not added all of the flour. I just measured and sieved 1 cup. I'm still mixing. Then now I add the 2nd cup and the 3rd cup. I hope you learn every step here, because if you fail to, your cake will not come out well as mine. Yeah, so make sure you learn every part of this. Now to give the cake vanilla flavor, we are going to use this vanilla extract, the vanilla essence. You add 1 teaspoon or just a drop as I did, and also I added some blueberries to my mixture. Now the mixing is done, and we are going to preheat the oven before putting it inside. And also make sure your baking pan is greased well. You can grease it with some butter or oil and dust with the baking flour. Then you have to pour the mixture in it. And now it's time to start the baking. We put it inside the oven and switch the temperature to 350 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Okay guys, now it's time to check if it's all done, if it's well baked. Oh, not yet. Now it's done. It's now time to smash it. This was the yummiest, the best cake I've ever baked. I've never tried baking with fruits, and it came out so lovely and yummy. Thank you guys for watching. If you try this recipe, let me know and share, or you can comment below and tell me how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. See you later on the next one. Bye.